Ginu Joseph, Global Group Editor of Modern Plastics TV and Modern Business TV, a part of Modern Business Network. Here at diemould India, with me, Mr. Kuntesh. Thank you, Mr. Kuntesh, for joining us today here. It is wonderful to see an Indian-made 3D printer here. Could you please tell about your company and the background, the history of the company, and what are the product range you do?
We are the 30-year-old company, and we are manufacturing the diamond cutting laser machines, sheet metal laser cutting machines, marking machines, and stand cutting machines. And this is our new innovations where we are manufacturing 3D printing machines made in India. So we have two technologies. One is FDM, fused deposition modeling, and second we have a stereolithography technology called SLA technology, where we can produce the part for the functional applications as well as the visual applications. These are the products range of our machines, and we are supplying machine more like most of the PSU companies and public limited companies, and these are the innovations mostly required in the R&D stage, prototyping stage, and small batch production stage. So these are the machines where most of the users of this machine is in R&D, research and development. So they are produce the parts before the going to die and mold. So these are the parts they can check and validate, and also they can produce the part for the jigs and fixtures. So these are the machines where die and mold India can use it.
Normally, mold making industry face such challenges during the mold making, because if you don't do proper prototyping, there are so many loss of money as well as the material. Right. Could you please tell our viewers how you can, how this product can, come out of the such challenges?
Right. So today's the challenge is time. So most of the people want to save their time to manufacture the products. So that's why today if the design is ready, then they can produce the part in the machine itself within 1 day or 2 days. So this is how they can reduce the time as well as the cost, because most of the time what happened, before going to die and mold, it's a huge investment. So they mostly check and validate the parts before go to the die and mold. So they can manufacture the part in this machine, and then they can save the time on validate the product itself, and then they go for the die and mold. That will be more beneficial towards the cost as well as the time. So this is the biggest benefit I can see in the die mold industry.
You said you manufacture 3D printing machine in India, and what is the percentage of imported spare parts you use, or what is the percentage the manufacturing you make in India, and how you could able to achieve this target? Because normally I saw there is no good Indian 3D printing machine manufacturer. So the first time myself, after 27 years in the industry, this is the first time I am seeing an Indian 3D printing machine. So how do you able to achieve this?
So in FDM technology, we have almost 90% of the parts we are manufacturing by our own company, and in SLA technology we are 60% of the parts we are manufacturing in India, and 40% of the parts like laser and scanner that to be imported, because no one in India is manufacturing those kind of parts. So that is why these are the technology we can rely, because most of the machines in today in India from the imported one only. So that is why this is a very reliable and helpful technology.
STPL is a reliable and Indian manufacturer who is focusing more on Make in India. Think, create and surprise. That's the punchline for 3D printing machine manufactured by STPL. Thank you so much for joining us here at diemould India. We wish you all the best, and I'm sure that you are going to grow in a bigger way as industry is focusing more on 3D printing. Have a wonderful time, sir.
Thank you.